You may find this frustrating, but you're not struggling financially because you lack discipline. You are not stuck because you don't earn enough. And you're definitely not behind because you haven't found the right investment. You're stuck because you're making the right financial decisions, but in the wrong order. In this video, I'll show you the order of financial decisions and why most high-earning professionals in Kenya get this completely wrong. Because here is the truth. Effort does not create wealth. Activity does not create wealth. Even good decisions do not create wealth if they're made in the wrong sequence. And once you understand this, you will never look at money the same way again. Hello, my name is Manyara Kirago, and for over 20 years, I've worked with professionals across organizations like Safaricom, Citibank, Unilever, PwC, but more importantly, I've worked closely with individuals one-on-one, helping them move from confusion to clarity and ultimately to financial independence. And I can tell you this with certainty. The difference between those who succeed and those who remain stuck is not intelligence. It is not income. It is structure. If you're serious about getting this right for your own finances, I'll show you how to take the next step later in this video. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, share, and turn on the notifications, because this is where we build structured growth. Let's jump right in. There is a dangerous belief that keeps high-income professionals stuck. It sounds responsible, it sounds logical, but it quietly destroys your long-term wealth. And here it is. As long as I'm saving, investing, and working hard, I will be fine. This sounds reasonable, right? But here is the problem. This belief ignores sequence, and in finance, sequence is everything. The real problem is random financial behavior. Let me describe what most professionals actually do. They earn well, they save a bit, they join a circle, they try a money market fund, maybe a plot somewhere or a treasury bond. They consider a side business, then think about real estate later. On the surface, this looks like progress, but underneath, it is completely unstructured. It is reactive and it is scattered. And the result? After 10, 15 years of effort, they are still dependent on their salary. Let me give you the principle that changes everything. Financial success is not about what you do. It is also about when you do it. The same actions in a different order produces completely different outcomes. Now let me walk you through the correct sequence, and this is where the transformation begins. Step number 1. Clarity before action. Most people skip this. They jump straight into saving or investing. But the first step is understand your true financial position, not guessing, not assumptions. You need to know what you earn, what you spend, what you own, what you owe, and what is leaking. Because without clarity, every decision you make is blind. Step number 2, control before investment. This is where most people go wrong. They start investing before they fix their financial behavior. So what happens? They invest while still leaking money. This is like pouring water into a leaking budget. Control means eliminating unnecessary spending, structuring your cash flow, and automating discipline. Without this, no investment strategy will save you. Step number 3, foundation before growth. Before you chase returns, you must build stability. This includes emergency buffer, risk protection, and basic financial structure. Why? Because without stability, every unexpected event resets your progress. And this is why many people feel like they're starting all over again every few years. Step number 4, strategic investing, not random investing. Now, and only now do you invest. But here is where another mistake happens. People diversify too early. They spread their money everywhere. Circle, unit trusts, stocks, side businesses, plots, and so on. This feels safe, but in reality, it slows down progress. Instead, you need focused, high-impact investing. And for many professionals, that means income-generating assets. This is where I've seen the biggest transformation. From working with clients all over the years, and even from real-life examples that I've shared before, I've seen professionals move from confusion to clarity by focusing on one powerful strategy: acquiring existing multi-unit rental apartments, not building, not speculation, not scattered investing, structured acquisition. Because as highlighted in real-world cases, these properties generate predictable income. They can finance themselves and they provide long-term growth. And most importantly, they move you from effort to income stability. Step number 5, scale after proof. Only after your first system works do you scale, not before. Not through trial and error, but through proven, repeatable structure. This is how wealth compounds. Now, let me bring this together. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they invest before they control. They diversify before they focus. They act before they understand. And they scale before they stabilize. In short, they reverse their order. I've seen professionals earning 300,000, 500,000, or even $1 million shillings per month, still financially stuck. Not because they lack effort, but because their decisions are out of sequence. At the same time, I've seen others with similar income build strong asset bases within a few years. The difference is structure. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Stop asking, what should I invest in? And start asking, what should I do first? That one shift alone can change your entire financial future. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right financially, but still not making real progress? Let me know in the comments. Now, here is the reality. Understanding this is one thing. Implementing it correctly is something else entirely, because structure is not guesswork. It is designed. If you want to gain absolute clarity on your financial position, build structured step-by-step wealth plan and start converting your income into real assets. Then the next step is simple. Book a strategy session with me, and during this session we'll map out your current financial position, identify what's holding you back, and design a clear path forward. This is not theory. This is practical, personalized strategy, and you'll find the link in the description below. If you have found this valuable, please hit the like button, share it with somebody who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more structured financial insights. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.